So iOS 18.7.3 has been out for a little bit of time now. And the thing that is really impressive about iOS 18.7.3 is that it's looking like a majority of people are basically going through and they're using this version of software more so than iOS 26. Now, when iOS 26 originally came out, a lot of people weren't really, I think, that in tune with it or that interested in it, at its, when it first came out. But since then, it looks like more people are going through and using iOS 18 than iOS 26. And the craziest thing here is that even if we go one step further, even on the versions of iOS 26, many people aren't really going through and even upgrading their version of software once they're already on iOS 26. So that's even the crazier thing here. So we're kind of stuck in this interesting spot where, more than 60% of the people, probably more than that, are still on iOS 18 and they are just scared to go and upgrade to that next version of software. Now, the thing I can tell you in my personal opinion is that if you're going to go through and, kind of using a version of software, I definitely do think iOS 18 is probably the better way to go. This one is probably going to go through and give you the best type of experience if you're going to go through and install any version of software. But that doesn't necessarily mean you have to go through and, you have to upgrade your phone today, or you have to go and upgrade to iOS 26. Or if you're already on iOS 26, you have a terrible phone. That's not what I'm trying to say either. I think you're still able to get a really good performing device in every single way. But I will tell you, if you are in the market, getting a phone that's on iOS 26 might be a little bit more tough. It might not be as stable than on iOS 18. So that's kind of where we're at. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.